Prayzah's Ndini Mukudzeu album launch on May 3, 2025, at Old Hararian Sports Club in Harare was a monumental event in Zimbabwe's music scene. The launch not only introduced his 14th studio album, but also marked the commencement of his expansive world tour. Prayzah's Ndini Mukudzeu album launch big surprised by Mai Chisamba on stage. Prayzah cried with happy. Feli Nandi was on fire on May 3, 2025. Venue and attendance. The Old Hararian Sports Club was filled to capacity, reflecting the high anticipation surrounding the event. Early bird tickets sold out rapidly, indicating the massive interest from fans. Performances. Prayzah delivered a dynamic performance, showcasing tracks from Ndini Mukudzeu alongside his classic hits. The event featured collaborations with artists like Feli Nandi, Say Kalaz, Nisha Tees, Nyasha David and Shashul, adding depth and variety to the show. Fantan and Level Chill Sport recording. Special moments. A standout moment was the debut of Prayzah's daughter, Kayla, who featured in the music video for Kuno, a track released ahead of the album launch. Her involvement added a personal touch to the event, resonating deeply with the audience. The album, titled Ndini Mukudzeu, translating to I Am Mukudzeu, reflects Prayzah's personal and artistic identity. It follows the success of his hit single Mandione, which garnered significant attention upon release. Ndini Mukudzeu World Tour. Following the Harare launch, Prayzah's world tour includes performances in Europe, Wolverhampton, UK, May 25th, and Dusseldorf, Germany, May 31st. North America, Toronto, Canada, July 1st, Washington, D.C., USA, July 4th, Dallas, USA, July 5th. Africa, Johannesburg and Cape Town, South Africa, October 3rd to 4th. 1. Script the story, outline the event's key moments, including performances, guest appearances, and audience reactions. 5. Export and share. Save the final product in your desired audio format for sharing or personal use. If you need assistance with scripting or technical aspects of audio production, feel free to ask. Prayzah give big thanks to all supporters, promote Sahwira Mukuru Nyaradzo.